Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back. So let's continue with the variables topic. We had seen in the last video variables in geometry, okay, variables in arithmetic operations what we use, all right, and variables in expressions today we need to start with. So what did I say? 2n, it is an expression. Then 10t, it is also an expression. 10t plus 2, it is also an expression. Okay, so you have this expression 7x plus 2y plus z. In this you have three variables x, y and z. Okay, and remember one thing, the variables you will be used will be in small case, okay, lower case. A B C, you don't use capital A capital B like this. Okay, so generally you will use lower case letters. All right, so and what is an expression? This kind of variable in which you are using some variable. Okay, so that type of this thing we call it as expression. So other simple expression is x plus 2. What does this mean? X plus 2, we are adding 2 to x. Okay, this means 2 is added to x, or in other words you can say x to x we are adding 2, right? Yes or no? To x we are adding 2. X can be anything. It can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3. Till infinity it can be any number. It can be minus also. Okay, minus 1, minus 2. It can be a fraction as well. Okay, but to your class, so it can hold any kind of number. Alright. So other simple expressions, if I have 2n, what does this mean? This means that 2 is multiplied with n, or you can say this in the form of statement 2 of 10, sorry, 2 of n. 2 of n means 2 is multiplied with n. Okay. Now I have expression like 10 t minus 2. So first we are multiplying 10 with t, and to this product we are subtracting with 2. Okay, so from this product we are subtracting 2. Alright, or you can say 2 is subtracted from the product 10t. Alright, so let's see a few more examples. These are all simple expressions. Okay, so I have z minus 2. This means that 2 is subtracted from z, or you can say z from z I am subtracting 2. Okay, or you can say I am taking away 2 from z. Remember these are the statements, okay, for the expressions. That what is the meaning of this expression? I'm saying is in the form of statement. Okay, so this is z minus 2. If you can say in any way, I'm taking away 2 from z, or you can say we are subtracting 2 is being subtracted from z. Okay, or alright, so anyhow you can say 2 is subtracted from z, or from z 2 is being taken away. So terms you need to just be proper. Okay, what does this mean? 10 is multiplied with t, or t is multiplied with 10. Okay, or t is multiplied to 10, 10 is multiplied to t. Any statement, the meaning of this expression will be this one. Okay, what about x by 4? This means x is divided by 4. Okay, or you can say x is just, you can say just that much, x is divided by 4, or this is x by 4. All right, so for 10t you can say 10 of t, that means 10 into t. Okay, So remember, multiplication you call it as product. You can say times. 10 times of t means 10 into t. Okay, twice of t means 2 into t. These things you need to know this. Okay, these are the statements you need to understand at this state, at this stage. Okay, so 2y means 2, I can say 2 times of y, or I can say this statement as this means that it is 2 is multiplied with y. Okay, or y is multiplied to 2, multiplied with 2. Okay, so what about this expression? It is 3x plus 7. So we can say that x is multiplied with 3, then the product is added to 7. Okay, so this is how you will get the statement from the expressions. All right, so if I say 6 is multiplied to p, that is 6 multiplied to p. 10 divided by y, 10 divided by y, isn't it? The statement is given, we are writing the expression. All right, so you can get a expression and write the statement, मतलब meaning क्या है उसका, or they will give you some statements like you have this many questions in general, you do many problems, right? So normally their statements will be given in that. So from that statements you are getting some equations, some expressions, and you are solving them, right? All right, so now these are different you can say expressions. All right, we call this as expressions. Whenever you have some equal to sign, then you call this as equation. All right, so remember these two differences, expression and equation. What is the difference? In expressions you will not have any kind of like LHS RHS, equal to sign nahi hoga, whereas in equation you will have equal to sign. All right, so now we are looking at the expressions practically. Okay, so how exactly the statements you are going to see in our normal day to day life, many things you are going to hear about it. तो उसको कैसे समझते आप? Okay, so I have many I've took many examples. Now let us write from these statements. Okay, expressions. Now it is said, the sentence is given, I have 10 marbles more than Fiza. मतलब इसका मतलब क्या है? अंडरस्टैंड दिस इन वॉट एवर लैंग्वेज यू वॉन्ट टू. ओके, आई हैव 10 मार्बल्स मोर देन फिज़ा, मतलब मेरे पास 10 मार्बल्स ज़्यादा हैं फिज़ा के पास जितने उससे 10 मार्बल्स ज़्यादा हैं, राइट? तो फिज़ा का मार्बल के पास कितने मार्बल्स हैं वी डोंट नो, राइट? द मार्बल्स विथ फिज़ा इट इज़ अननोन. तो उसके लिए आई विल टेक लेट द मार्बल्स with Fiza be x. Okay, so now I can say, I can write an expression for the statement. मतलब मेरे पास जो है I have how many marbles? I have x plus 10 marbles. 10 marbles more than Fiza. Fiza के marbles x हैं तो मेरे पास x plus 10 होंगे. ओके, तो ये x के वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकता है. फिज़ा में है 5 मार्बल्स, तो फिज़ा के पास अगर 5 मार्बल्स हैं तो मेरे पास कितने होंगे? 10 मोर, मतलब 10 प्लस 5 15 होंगे. इफ सपोज फिज़ा हैज़ 10 मार्बल्स, तो फिज़ा से और 10 एक्स्ट्रा 10 मेरे पास होंगे, दैट इज़ 10 प्लस 10, इट विल बी टोटली आई विल हैव 20 मार्बल्स, इजंट इट? तो if Fiza has 3 marbles, तो मेरे पास I will have how much? 3 plus 10, That is 13 marbles I will have. Isn't it? So one statement will be given, okay? So you need to get expression for those statements. So first of all, what you need to do is read the question properly, understand it, and try to do it. Okay, now let's come to the next expression. Understand this, please be attentive. Okay, क्वेश्चन को समझो. If you have any doubt, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, okay, we can discuss, you can ask me in the Zoom meeting, we can discuss that again. Okay, जो भी आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, you please note it down, okay, and you can ask me in the Zoom meeting. Now let's come to the second question or statement, I can say. Payal is 6 years, okay, younger. Payal is 6 years younger than Rahul. Payal, one girl is there, okay. Payal जो है 6 years younger है, younger than Rahul. Younger मतलब, you need to know this word. Younger मतलब छोटी है, right? 6 years छोटी है राहुल से कंपेयर करो तो राहुल की, वी डोंट नो, नाउ यू विल गेट कंफ्यूज के पायल की एज भी नहीं मालूम हमको, यहाँ पर राहुल की एज भी नहीं मालूम, बट पायल की एज का जो है दे हैव गिवन अस सम डेटा, ओके. सो पायल्स एज इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन राहुल्स एज, इसलिए हम लोग राहुल के एज को हम लोग वी विल टेक इट एज अननोन वेरिएबल, some x, y, z, anything. Okay, so what I will do, I will take Rahul's age, let Rahul's age, okay, be some y. Okay, so now what will be the Payal's age? Payal's age will be equal to what? Payal is 6 years younger मतलब छोटी है, right? तो राहुल की एज अगर 5 है तो 5 years younger, 6 years y है तो 6 years younger है, तो I need to subtract it with 6, isn't it? If it would have, instead of this younger, if it would have been like older, अगर ऐसे होता कि पायल is 6 years older than Rahul, then what will be your expression? Rahul age is y, now Payal's age will be 6 years older than, तब क्या होगा? older मतलब 6 years बड़ी है पायल with from compared to राहुल. तो राहुल की एज अगर y है तो +6 करेंगे तो आपको पायल की एज आएगी, isn't it? This is for when you say Payal is 6 years older than Rahul. Okay, please understand this and try to get the expressions. Okay, now I'll give you some time, think about this. Raman is twice as old as Ravi. Take some time and then pause my video and try to answer this, get the expression for this. So I hope you have tried this. Kya Raman is twice as old as Ravi? Okay, verify your answer if you have done after pausing my video. Okay, so here it is, Raman is twice as old as Ravi. So we will take, let Ravi's age be some x, unknown variable. Raman's age is dependent on whose? Ravi's age. ठीक है, उसके लिए we took Ravi's age as x instead of Raman's age. Okay, so now what will be the Raman's age? Raman's age will be equal to, yes, twice old as Ravi, मतलब 2 times, so 2 into x. Alright, now so Raman's age is twice as old as Ravi. If I say Raman's age is double of that of age of Ravi, double also it is twice of Ravi, right? Double of Ravi will be, yes, 2 times of Ravi's age. Okay, Now take one more question, understand this. This will be the last this thing. After that we will stop here. Try to analyze the questions, okay, and from those questions get the expressions. So look at this. Raju's father age is 2 years more than 3 times more than that of more than the 3 times Raju's age. Okay, so अब यहाँ पे what is given first and understand the question. Raju's father जो है age of Raju's father is 2 years. 2 years, sorry, 2 years more than, ठीक है, more than what, that of 3 times of Raju's age. First, so Raju's father age is dependent on Raju's age. So I will take, let Raju's age be x. ओके, तो यहाँ पे राजू के एज को 3 टाइम्स करना है, तो 3 टाइम्स ऑफ राजूज एज विल बी व्हाट, 3 टाइम्स ऑफ राजू एज विल बी 3x, राइट. x है राजू के एज, तो वी आर टेकिंग इट एज 3x. नाउ वी वांट टू फाइंड राजूज फादर एज. So Raju's father age is how much? 2 years more than 3 times Raju's age. So 2 years more than, that is 3 times Raju's age plus more than 2 years. Okay, age is 2 more than, that means plus 2. More than अगर आपको नज़र आ रहा तो it is plus 2. Okay, this will be our expression. Now look at this question. Palak's age after 5 years. See, यहाँ पे किसी का कंपैरिजन नहीं करे, इट्स डायरेक्टली जस्ट बीन आज कि पलक्स एज आफ्टर 5 years. That what does this mean? We are comparing the Palak's age with the present age of hers. ठीक है, when nothing is given, that means उसके जो present age है पलक के, you will add 5 years to that. So present age we don't know, so present age be x. So what will be the Palak's age after 5 years? It will be x plus 5. Okay, now Poonam's age 3 years ago, मतलब 3 years पीछे, behind कितने, what was her age? तो present age तो x है. Let's take Poonam's present age as x. So x minus अगो मतलब पीछे, 3 years बैक कितना एज थी उसकी, तो x minus 3 will be the expression. Okay, so if let's do in our Zoom meeting exercise problems. Okay, try to analyze the question properly and answer the questions. Okay, until we meet again, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.